The first day of the Driving the Difference conference has commenced, and with me this morning is Kerrie Challenor from NTI, National Transport Insurance. Good morning, how are you?
Good morning.
What a lovely speech you've just delivered.
Thank you.
Now, a career in insurance in the 70s and 80s must have been a bit of a challenge, being the only female at major insurance companies back then. What is your overall experience, would you say?
It was very interesting. So yes, it was challenging. I was, for many, many years, the only woman in any room. I was the only woman at an exec table. But you know what? I took advantage of it.
Yeah.
It's amazing what you can do I never lost my femininity, and I think that's one of the things that's really important. It's amazing what you can do when you can charm. So it was a challenge. It was hard work. I never saw it as hard work.
Yeah.
It's only actually post that period, as I've got more successful and grown in the corporate world, it's only then that I actually realised how hard it was. I never kind of looked at it as I was going through as being difficult. Yeah, there were some weird things that happened, and I shared some of those stories this morning, but I just took all that in my stride and just went, well, that's actually okay, and why can't I be successful, and why can't I get that job, and why isn't that opportunity available to me? And I just went about getting it.
Yeah.
So I think it's I always find it amusing now to look back on my career and realise some of the stuff that happened. And think, okay, why didn't I at the time think how bizarre that was? So.
But it's all about seizing the moment as well, though, Kerrie, isn't it?
Absolutely.
Throwing yourself into it and just go for it.
And you know what? As I said today, you can't be an expert in everything. No one's an expert in everything. It's perfectly okay to ask for help. Surround yourself with really good people and ask for help. If you don't take an opportunity, there's every chance you won't get a second one. Yeah. And that opportunity could be a complete difference in your whole life and your whole career.
Kerrie, why is the National Transport Insurance here today, and what sort of support and assistance do you provide to the transport industry?
National Transport Insurance, or NTI, is a leading transport insurer in the Australian market. We've been a strong supporter of Transport Women's Association since inception, and firmly believe that the women who are succeeding in the transport industry are succeeding because this industry lends itself beautifully to people from all walks of life. We see that every day. Why can't women be successful and succeed? So we're really pleased to be able to support the women in the industry. We support the industry overall. We do a lot of work with our industry partners. We're on a lot of industry associations. We attend almost every industry event. So we're really proud of our close association with industry as well as insurance.
Yeah, beautiful. Well, thank you so much for your time.
That's a pleasure. It's nice to talk to you.
You too. Cheers.